Are you spending too much for your leads using Google Ads? In this video, I'm going to show you how to get more leads at a lower cost. When people are looking for local roofers, one of the first places they look is Google. So Google Ads is one of the best ways to get high quality leads for your roofing business. Like this roofing company that are currently getting high quality inquiries each for under £16. The Google Ads are the listings that show above the map listings. First, go to ads.google.com and set up an account. First tip is set up landing pages for each one of your services. For example, if you're offering roofing repairs and new roof installations, build a landing page for each one. Good software to use to build landing pages are platforms like Unbounce or ClickFunnels. Your landing page should be simple and easy to use. Put your phone number at the top of a contact form in a banner, so it's easy for people to contact you and easy for you to collect your leads. Keyword research. When you are logged into your Google account, click on Tools and Settings, then click through to Keyword Planner. Click on the box that says Discover New Keywords. Type in roofing, click Results, then United Kingdom. Type in your location or county and uncheck the whole of the UK. Now what you will see is a list of keywords that people are regularly searching in your area. In this list, it shows you the keyword, the average monthly searches, the competition and the estimated cost per click. Now you want to use this data to build out your ad groups. That brings us to our third tip, building out ad groups. You want to build your ad groups using keywords from your research. Build groups using single or just a couple of keywords. For example, build an ad group for new roofs, roof repairs or roofing contractors. This way you can monitor and track which ad groups are performing the best. Tip number 4. Optimize your ads to either good or excellent. When building out your ads, Google will score your ad copy, so you want to use creative copy to pull in leads. Use terms like get a free quote, cost-effective roofing solutions, roofers in your local area. Keep writing the copy until Google score the copy as excellent. So many campaigns we have seen have poor quality scores because of the content, which leads to low performing ads and you paying more per click. Tip number 5, build out all of your extensions. Click on your ad, then click on Assets. Here you can build out all of your extensions. Doing this will make your ads bigger on the Google search engine and you will stand out amongst your competitors. First, build out your site links and add all of the things that makes your business different, like insurance, family-run business, or getting a free survey. Next, build out call-out extensions. This can also be unique selling points about your business. Then build out structured snippets. Click on Service Catalog and list your services. Next, use call extensions. This is where your number shows up below your ad. This is especially important when people see your ad on mobiles and result in more calls. Next, use the promotion feature. On this, you can create urgency with an offer you're running, like 10% off all services this month only. Next, monitor and track your results using conversion tracking. Go into your account, click Tools and Settings, and then on Conversions. Here you can configure the settings for call tracking and email inquiries. For email inquiries, set up a thank you page so whenever someone fills out the form, it redirects them to the thank you page. With the conversion tracking, you can now track how many people land on this page. All of this is essential data to see how much you're paying per lead for your ad campaign. And that's it. If you implement all of this, you'll see much better results with your Google ad campaign. If you want to see more content like this, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. See you on the next one.